It took 10 layers of carving and inking to create my blue sea sailing linoprint. This video shares how I did it, using my trusty Schmink inks, soft Japanese rubber roller, a range of Swiss carving tools and my manual printing press. I started by layering up the blue ink for the sea and sky. I decided on a gradient roll for the sky and then worked to create some subtle detail in the waves in the sea. Once I'd finished with the background, I removed it with a craft knife and neatened up the edge with my carving tools. I started work on the foreground with a blank slate of cool yellow to contrast over the blue of the background, and then slowly started to build up layers of greens, carving away each layer from the same printmaking block, and trying to keep my lines loose and impressionistic. I used a white waterproof pencil to sketch directly onto the block to guide my carving. I'm using a V-gouge here to chip away at sections in the trees and grass to create some subtle shades on the final print. Next, you will see my mix to create a brown ink for the tree trunks and branches, and also how much of the original block I've carved away over time. This is already 2 weeks of work, carving, inking and layering colour to get to the 9th layer of this 8th edition run of linoprints, and you'll see the final 10th colour being applied to complete the composition. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I have lots of in-depth tutorials and behind the scenes making linoprints on my channel. Thanks for watching.